Hi, this is Brian Weatherden. Welcome back to the Inside here at guaranteedincomeforlife.ca. I'm also the author of A Lifetime of Wealth and How Not to Lose It. Congratulations to you. This is module number 10 on mistakes you want to avoid with your money. And this mistake is the lack of a stewardship team. So what I want to share with you is just ponder for a moment. Imagine you're the owner of a business and your business is being litigated, you're going into court. Will you go into court on your own, just without anyone at your desk beside you, without anyone to advocate for you? Will you go in without business attorneys and so on? And imagine if your country is at war. Does it proceed without a strategic team in place to manage the campaigns and the agenda? Or you're diagnosed with a critical illness. Do you go straight to the internet and find out what you need to do and then you inform your doctors? No, you want a strong health services team to support you and to engage all the capacities to recover your health again. Well, so is the same thing with your financial health and well-being. Whether your wealth comes from business or from years of career and pension and diligent savings, whether it's from inheritance, whether it's possibly from winning money, winning the lottery, it makes no difference. This is your money. It's your reserve. This is the wealth you have to protect the rest of your life. To protect the rest of your life and your dreams, the goals and roles you want for yourself and for your dear ones, possibly also for your philanthropy. So just share a brief story. I won't go long because you can check out more in the website, more in the book. What I want to focus on here is just a brief story and to help you consider the value of your stewardship team. So here's a family. They sold a business about 6 years ago. I came into serving them because of the referral from some other professional in their life. But their key professionals, their accounting firm, their legal firm, actually their investment firm, had never spoken with each other, had never emailed, had never written, in fact had zero contact with each other. I came in through referral from some other part of their family matrix. Now the important thing here is to realize the accounting firm was doing an incredibly strong job, but weren't able to implement some of the tax-saving strategies available on the investment side. The legal side was being taken care of, but without proper recognition of one of the key needs in their family, that being that the executor that had been named is actually chronically ill and unable to serve in the role of executor. Obviously, you can see key things were not in place to create a strategic team, and the stewardship of their plan would fail. It would fail modestly because of lack of tax planning along the way. It would fail incredibly, totally, at the point that they had passed away and the executorship of their estate needed to be taken care of, and the proper trusts which should flow from that. Well, all of this over the course of the past, say, 6 months or a year, without mentioning any names, has been completed at this point. And this is vital because now that family can say, we have a strategic stewardship team with our accounting firm, with our legal advisors, with our insurance and financial advisors in place and intact to make sure that all areas of their planning is secure. I want to say something further to this. And that is that it hasn't been done without the rest of the family as well. There are two other key persons in that family who are part of this process, who were never part of that process before. So in the past, and maybe you're in this position yourself, you are investing money, you have an accounting firm, you've had a lawyer for some kind of purpose, possibly you own some insurance. Clearly you have some family, or most people do. But if none of that is integrated together, you do not have a stewardship team. You are your own general. You are your own head of state. You are everything. You're the whole health sciences team for your money. That just doesn't work effectively. So what you want is a strong legal team, accounting team, financial team, family team, brought together as your stewardship team. And this can be done on an agreement that people talk together on a particular kind of method and timeline. Let's say that you have modest but significant wealth, that could be adequate. If you're a very high net worth, you might say, yes, and I want that team to meet together, sit around a big table at least once every 3 months in time. And they'll each come with their costs, perhaps, but that's a tiny, tiny fraction of your total wealth and totally protects your wealth for all of your intents now and for your ongoing years ahead and for your trust in your estate. This is Brian Weatherden, the founder of GuaranteedIncomeForLife.ca. Thank you for visiting here. Also the author of A Lifetime of Wealth and How Not to Lose It. I hope you've been able to enjoy this book. More, obviously, is in the website and is in the book. I want you to enjoy that and build the sense of stewardship around your financial planning, around your income for life, around your life and trusts, your lifestyle, to ensure that you and your family and your dear ones are able to carry forward very soon. Thank you. You have just finished Module 10 in the mistakes, the most grave mistakes you want to miss with your money. And now continue in the book or the website. There are other resources, of course. On the website, you're going to find extra blogging, other resources, continued publishing, continued video segments that are available to support you, to support your other advisors, to help you make the most with your money. So thank you very much, and please do tell me, what is the impact this has made for you? So you feedback for me what I've done, what I've helped you accomplish, and how I can add more for you. Thank you so much.